about the afternoon? What's good about the afternoon? Can't you see I'm draw it up? Good, draw it up. Oh yeah, you are on your start for a jump. 1, 2. For jump. Squat, bend down, sleep. Pee your head, bend down, lie down. In fact, peg your head. Oh yeah, press up. Good. Press up. I said press up. Continue. Oh yeah, front jump. Oh yeah, 1, 2. Front jump. Oh, yeah. Squat, bend down, front jump, bend down, front jump. Pee your head, pee your head, pee your head, pee your head. I said pee your head. Yes! It's okay, it's okay. Stand up now. I never knew there's power in this uniform. Eh? See, do you know why I'm punishing you people? Because we were sagging, indecent dressing. But actually, I'm not a soldier man, no.
You said?
But in the next future or in the next generation, I will become a soldier man. This is not a quarreling issue, but I really enjoy the punishment I gave to you. That's just the truth now. You know I'm a tailor. Someone gave it to me to sew. So I'm not a soldier man. But in future, maybe next generation, I will become soldier man. You know what I'm talking about? Yes!